Find features that differentiate it from other brands for VEKOOTO VK218 6V, 12V, car battery tester. And why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Advanced battery diagnostic technology uses professional conductance testing to deliver fast, accurate results on battery health, SOH, charge state, SOC, voltage, and internal resistance. Comprehensive testing functions, tests battery condition, cranking performance, and charging system, alternator and rectifier, helping you pinpoint problems in 1 minute. Wide compatibility 6V/12V, compatible with multiple battery types, regular lead acid, AGM flat plate, AGM spiral, GEL, and EFB start-stop batteries. Ideal for cars, motorcycles, trucks, boats, and lawn equipment. Real-time and safe measurement, no need to remove or recharge the battery. Reverse polarity protection keeps both battery and tester safe from accidental connections. Large color display and easy operation, 2.4-inch color LCD clearly shows test results with intuitive menus. 4-button navigation makes it easy for beginners and pros alike. Portable, plug-and-play design, compact handheld device powered directly from the battery, no internal battery or charging required. Perfect for home garages or repair shops. Reliable build, trusted accuracy, wide CCA range, 100 to 2000, durable clamps, and fast detection ensure consistent, professional level results every time. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.